He's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over here, happy it's over. We were in it for a minute, had a moment in the sunshine. We were something, now we're nothing, 'cause I broke it when I realized it was all paper thin, feelings that play pretend. I guess I got thicker skin, 'cause I just don't care. He's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over here, happy it's over. 'Cause I'm over here, happy it's over. Yeah, I'm over on the hurting side, letting go of a problem, leaving it right over there. Maybe it's cool, but I'm over here, happy it's over. Heart was broken, words unspoken, had me crying like the river. Pains are growing, now I'm glowing, feeling finally delivered. No, I'm not 17, waiting on meant to be's. I'll never be what you need, and I just don't care. He's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over here, happy it's over. I'm doing me, and he don't know what to do, 'cause I'm over here, happy it's over. Yeah, I'm over on the hurting side, letting go of a problem, leaving it right over there. Maybe it's cool, but I'm over here, happy it's over. Can't buy your words, pushing pain till I'm drunk. No longer yours, I'm my own number one. A whole new world, 'cause I'm finally done. I'm done, it's done.
Got some wine over here and some beer.
Over here, he's
We got Muffuletta, don't know if I'm saying that right, and a shrimp and oyster po' boy. So excited. I'm just gonna go grab another drink to check off one of the places on my list, and then go back to my hostel and stuff my face.
maybe it's cool, but I'm over here, happy it's over.
It is so much colder than I anticipated. Whew, it's freezing. In the sun it's nice, but wow, yeah. This is the only jacket that I brought, so kind of sucks, but I got a purple drink from Lafitte. It is the oldest running bar in the United States. So that was pretty cool. Going back to my hostel now to eat some food. It's so much warmer on the sunny side of the street. This reminds me of weather in Boston, but I think the wind is a little bit more harsh here, right now at least. I don't think I've ever walked this fast. My hostel, I can see it. And time to ice my foot and eat this delicious food. It's not. Oh, spoke too soon. I don't swallow. Let her sit in covered ice for a little bit.
There's my friend.